I'm recording. Okay, cool. Alright, thumbnail. Hey everybody, and welcome to my beauty space. Welcome to my home, where we are kind, nice, and respectful. Okay? My bestie's been working on me. She's like, Rhoda, you gotta stop being so freaking nice and tolerating the meanness. So, if you have nothing nice to say, please insert yourself away. Alright, so today we are unboxing the Chic Beauty Box. If I sound weird, it is because my sinuses are acting a fool. There's a lot of colds going around in this house, and I think I'm catching something through. So, we've got the Chic Beauty Box. They were kind enough to send this over. And then Hardcandy sent over a little PR package to show you guys. So, thank you to Hardcandy and to Chic Beauty Box. Chic Beauty Box is a monthly subscription. It is $34.99, and this is a customizable subscription box. Did I say it's monthly? I apologize if I did. It is in fact not. It's a bi-monthly box. Do you guys ever wonder what happened to AIA Beauty Box? Because I do. I often wonder that. They just went MIA. So anyways, here's the Chic Beauty Box. This I think is for maybe October, November. Okay, definitely October. And it just says October items. So there's two different variations. Now keep in mind, you will be choosing the different ones or different items in here. And when it comes to the Chic Beauty Box, they have an assortment of brands. There's brands that you're going to see, like, think Ulta on the affordable side of Ulta, and then on the higher end side of Ulta. So the first item I see in here is by Fenty Beauty. This is the Popsicle Hydrating Lip Stain in the shade Gemini. Ooh, I like that. I'm a Gemini. Okay, let's see if I can open it up. I like that it said it's a stain because just looking at it right off the bat, I'm like, holy moly, that looks dark. Wait, is this side openable? Yes, here we go. Ooh, that packaging component alone. Ooh, no scent. Okay, honestly, that's really pretty though. I'll hold it out here on top of my Gemini. That's what I have on. It's Butterfly Kisses and Gemini. Hold on. And then I lined my lips with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner. I don't know where I put it. Oh, is that? No. I don't know, but it's in like Dusty Rose, and I flippin' love it. Hey, Queenie. Hi. You want to come say hi to our friends? Come on. No? Oh, okay. My kitty cat just strolled through here. Alright, so I like that. I like that on the outer portion and then like kind of ombraing it. I really do. And it's comfortable. It's a stain, so it's like it says, more of a popsicle type of kiss. Next in here we have by Maybelline, a Tattoo Studio limited edition liner. It's a 36-hour liner, and it's in kind of like a smoky blue color. I forgot to tell you guys, the Popsicle is $28, and this pencil is $8.99. So let's go ahead and open it up and swatch it. Here's the thing. I would typically be very like, oh, I don't think so, over this color. However, I was just on TikTok yesterday. Surprise, surprise. I'm always on TikTok. And this little girl I watch, she's with Alabama Crimsonette, Chloe Holiday. She was over in Tennessee with the Titans, and she had her makeup done, and she had this beautiful, like literally this natural eye look, and then underneath she had this really pretty like Titan blue. It was a little bit brighter than this underneath her eye, and it was so pretty, and I'm like, I kind of low-key want to try that. Like I said, it was a little bit brighter, but this is pretty, and I like that it's like a gel formula. Next in here we have the Clarins. I feel like we see a lot of Clarins products in here. The SOS Primer, it diminishes redness. It's in the shade 04 Green. For some reason I think I have this. I don't know, maybe not. So nice full-size product. All of these seem to be full size, which is great. Now, just for reference, this primer does have a retail value of $40, and it does say it's going to color correct. Color correction illuminates the complexion, improves your makeup hold, cooling texture, and lets your skin breathe. Apply alone or mix it with foundation. Next in here, we've got something from Almay. Oh, it's one of these like little trios, eyeshadow trios. Kind of reminds me of like back in the day. You used to see these things from like Revlon or CoverGirl. But it has like the order of where to apply everything. So that's cute. I think I'll probably just skip that. But it's in shade 100 Hearts of Fire, and it does have a retail value of $8.99. Last in here, we have a single eyeshadow from NARS in the shade Persia, and this has a retail value of $19. I feel like we see a lot of NARS in our Chic Beauty Box. Uh-oh. This may be broken. Oh, nope. Okay. Funny enough, I actually like that color. And I'm not one for like really warm colors. I think because this reminds me of like a blush shade that I would use, but also on the color wheel, blue opposite is orange, and I feel like this shade alone would be really pretty with a little bit of Sweet and Sassy. So Sweet and Sassy is my eyeshadow topper with Ofra Cosmetics, or even the shade Strong from Jotti's palette with Ofra Cosmetics, which is like the beautiful, hold on, I've got it sitting right here, that beautiful smoky eyeshadow topper that she created with Ofra right here. I think those two shades together would be really pretty. You could literally get like a little evening look. You could totally do like an evening look with that, or go in with Sweet and Sassy, which is on my lids today, which funny enough, I literally have one of my blushers right next to it. But like, actually, maybe that's why I like it so much. They look similar. But yeah, you've got options. So if you have our palettes and you receive this shade, you're good. Overall, is it my favorite box? No. But do I like some of the products in here? I do. Like I told you guys, this is a bi-monthly subscription, and I would say my standout products would definitely be the Fenty and the NARS. And I'm kind of excited about the Maybelline pencil. The primer, I'd have to try that out before I could really give you guys a definite answer on that. But I am excited to try that look that I saw over the weekend. So that's my little thoughts there. And then let's unbox right quick our little Hardcandy PR box. Thank you so much to Hardcandy. So they came out with like a coffee collection. I'm like, you're sending this to the right woman for sure. So we've got their Lip Slide in Espresso. It's a tinted lip oil. And we've got a deeper shade, and then we've got a lighter shade. And how cute are they? They included a little coffee mug in here, right? That is so cute. So thank you so much to Hardcandy. And this is what they look like, but they're lip oils. And I actually have a lot of them. You can pick them up at Walmart or at their website. They are so nice. They're so comfortable. Matter of fact, my 18-year-old was playing around in my beauty room in my lip collection and happened to pick out some of them and was like, oh wow, this is really nice. I'm like, right? So thank you so much to Hardcandy and to Chic Beauty Box, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check me out on my other channels, and of course TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmommabusiness. I think I'm gonna go make some tea. I've been like sipping on some Prothy is what it's called. It is coffee, collagen, and a protein shake. Getting my protein on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!